स्टार क्रिकेटर स्वागती के ब्रांड एम्बेसडर वीवीएस लक्ष्मण ने आज फ्रेंड्स प्लस कैंपेन का इफ्तिताह अंजाम दिया। इसका मकसद HIV एड्स से मुतासिर खानदानों के बच्चों को तालीम और भी दीगर चीज़ों की मदद की जाए। इस कैंपेन को स्कूली बच्चे चलाएंगे।
Talking about the project, so you have to inaugurate this whole kit which is going to the school. It's basically a school kit which is going to go to the school principals, the schools, and it's a request to the media, please publicize it, because the moment it reaches to the schools, the principals should be able to correlate that this is the same thing the media has highlighted. Everything now, I think a lot depends on you all, how you put it across. So it's a very jazzy music for a noble cause. So I think it is going to pep up all of us being new here.
थोड़ा उठ जाइए साहब।
And I want to Aparna, please hand over one to Nana as well. So this is the entire kit, which is going to have a poster. There is a poster for the school's notice board. Sorry ma'am, can you help with the posters? We can show the poster.